Where are you going? You're not going towards the Christmas tree, are you? Huh? Where are you going? I see you through the flowers. Jackson? I see you. Jackson? Don't touch. Touch. Don't touch. You look mighty cute with no pants on. You look mighty cute with no pants on. What are you doing? What are you thinking about doing? Hey. Hey, 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 hey. What are you doing? Jackson, you being sneaky? I just vacuumed in there. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. I just vacuumed. Look what you did. You made a mess. Can you say hi to the camera? You got the snowflake? This is why next year we will have no ornaments around the bottom. Hey, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. No, no, no. Don't touch those. Don't touch those. Can you say Merry Christmas? You see Gordy? That's Gordy. That's Daddy's favorite ornament. No. Oh gosh, don't touch that. Alright, say Merry Christmas. I'm getting into trouble.